Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want this to work the first time, so start with power and proximity. Make sure the Keypad phone's Bluetooth is on and the Airpods are in their case with the lid open. This forces discovery. Once done, keep the devices close, within a few feet, so the signal is strong. If your Keypad phone uses a menu-driven Bluetooth, navigate to settings then Bluetooth immediately. Do not back out. This initial alignment saves time and prevents missed pairing windows. Now initiate the actual pairing. Open the Bluetooth menu and choose Scan or Search. Your phone will list nearby devices. Select the Airpods entry by name. If the phone asks for code, try 0000 or 1234 and confirm. Many Keypad phones just display a confirmation prompt you must accept. Make sure you wait for the status to change to connected rather than just paired. If the phone shows multiple Airpods entries, pick the one with strongest signal or the one named for your case. Finish by testing audio. Play a voice prompt or place a short call to confirm mic and sound route through the Airpods. If you don't hear audio, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then try again. If that fails, reset the Airpods by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repeat pairing. This clears old pairings that often cause conflicts. If problems persist, reboot the phone. A clean restart often resolves stubborn Bluetooth states.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.